Hey there, guys. Here I am again, John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and welcome to my Krowd review. Today in the Krowd review, we're going to talk about what it is, what it does, the benefits to you. There'll be a little demo video I have for you, and then we'll talk about my bonuses and the cost to get Krowd today. So let's get started here. I'm actually on my bonus page as opposed to being in my members area for some reason. My password isn't working, so I'll take care of that later. So Krowd, what is Krowd? Well, basically it says that there are 3 simple steps away from unlocking instant access to 320 million Pinterest users. All right, so you got free buyer traffic source there. So Krowd unlocks the access to 2020's biggest free traffic source secret in just minutes. Siphoning free targeted traffic and making money from home has never been simple. Now, I don't know if Pinterest is the largest untapped, because TikTok is moving pretty quickly there. But I do believe that Pinterest is your best untapped traffic source because it's a known fact that Pinterest users are more apt to purchase. The demographic is more apt to make purchases from offers that you're having, whether it's e-commerce or any other niche, as well as internet marketing and make market online. Users of Pinterest are the perfect people. So this may be a very good application for you to use. All right. So my bonus page, as far as the bonuses themselves are going to expire, I believe this is August 5th, maybe 7th. And so let's talk about Krowd a little bit more. Okay, so it's a new and simple traffic system designed with newbies in mind. The software and system enables anyone to instantly unlock access to over 320 million users per month and drive hordes of free traffic in any niche, from Pinterest to your offers. Okay, 3 steps. First, there's a search. Instantly unlock the highest traffic pins in any niche. Number 2 is extract and emulate. Instantly extract the winning data from high traffic pins and emulate with Krowd's built-in emulation tool. And number 3, free traffic. Share your new emulated pins instantly for free traffic in any niche. Okay, unique, powerful, and simple. Guaranteed to get results, and by guaranteed to get results, the creators, the vendor, does offer unconditional money-back guarantee. As a matter of fact, I believe that if you don't have success with it, they will actually pay you money. So that's a pretty good deal. All right. So let me go over my bonuses real quick. That I'm going to give to you if you purchase through my link. And by the way, if you purchase through my bonus page, just find any of these pink banners with this lime green yellow banner inside of it, and they're located multiple places on the page. Not too hard to miss. Okay, so bonus number 1 is Raken. So Raken is actually a tutorial, an over-the-shoulder tutorial and case study on how one person whose name is actually Raken, Stephen Raken, was able to make $329 an hour, I believe it was. And $329 is pretty good. That's what most good lawyers make, if that much, typically $200, $250, for an attorney these days. So that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 today is the Fuego Breakout. Now, this is something to go along with Krowd, or to complement it, I should say. So the Fuego breakout is a traffic method that takes very little time, very little money, if any at all, and to get you started in collecting leads and getting paid. Bonus number 3 is the affiliate introduction to affiliate marketing, and this is also a tutorial, and actually this is a video tutorial by today's number one affiliate marketer out there today. So I would I'd pick up Krowd just to get that. And bonus number 4. Bonus number 4 is Urgency Suites Pro. Now, if you haven't heard of it before, Urgency Suites Pro is a software that creates timers and scarcity bars for you. And the good thing about Urgency Suites Pro is that you can find tools like that work on web pages, but they do not work in emails. Urgency Suite Pro works in emails. So if you have an email campaign or plan on starting an email campaign, you can put those timers and scarcity bars in the email, and it works perfectly. You can change the colors, the size, the date that it expires, everything. It's a fantastic tool, and I believe it is selling right now still for $97, if I remember correctly, on Warrior Plus. So fantastic bonus right there. Okay, and bonus number 5, of course, is all the vendor bonuses. When you go through the sales page, by clicking any one of my links here, you will certainly go through the vendor bonuses. Now let's talk about what Krowd is going to cost, and then we'll go through a little video. Okay, so the upfront cost is about $17. Now this is on a dime sale, so I believe it's still around the $17 price range right now, but it is incrementally increasing. So if you are interested in it, go ahead and jump on it. You may save a couple of bucks. So it goes up, with every sale. So the front end is $17, okay? And what do you get with the front end? The cloud-based software. You get monthly quota of 150 searches, extracts, emulate and post to Pinterest, and you can do that 5 times daily, okay? So for search, you search for high traffic pins ready to emulate, and then a niche, for any keyword. The extract part, you add the pins to the inspiration section by, add inspiration. Software extracts the titles, descriptions, and tags of high traffic pins ready to use. Create pins, just like the high traffic pins found in step 2. Similar pins, like using our own built-in ultra simple image editor. Image selection, you can select images from Pixabay and Pixels. Quotes, you can add quotes similar to pins you added in the inspiration box, and this is all going to be explained in a moment. Description tags, titles can be added manually. You can share it on Pinterest manually, plus share manually on Facebook and Twitter as well. So it's not just a Twitter platform that this is useful for. Okay, so let's take a look at the upsells. So the OTO one called Crowd Control, $67. Now with the front end, you got 150 searches and 5 daily. With upgrade number 1, I believe this goes up to 300 searches and 15 daily. Okay. OTO number 2, the Stampede. From 15 daily, it goes up to 30 daily, and the your searches, I believe, are somewhere around 600. OTO number 4 is agency, a reseller package, and OTO number 5 is a 7-day to 1K coaching tutorial $197. So if you're interested in that, you can pick that up. So all the key benefits, Krowd is a cloud-based traffic system, unlike anything else. It uses a little-known, proven, and tested Pinterest system to quickly emulate pins and users with mass traffic. Krowd users can expect to generate real results within 24 hours of use and create free traffic in any niche, which you can quickly send to anywhere. In a nutshell, Krowd users get to plug into a simple but hugely powerful traffic system that works for you day and night. And of course, as mentioned earlier, all of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, I had told you that instead of me being in the members area to go through it, I'm going to have one of the creators. Actually, I'm going to run this video here. You should be able to hear it. I'll turn up my my volume here a little bit, and I'll turn my microphone around. And we probably won't go through the whole thing, but just enough so you get an idea. Here we go.
Welcome to the demo video of our upcoming software, Krowd. Krowd is a complete traffic system which enables users to quickly tap into the traffic source of over 320 million monthly active users and can be utilized in any niche without any experience or any additional cost. You guessed it, I'm talking about Pinterest. So basically, Krowd helps you in driving free traffic from Pinterest. So let's go ahead and see how this software works. Right now, I'm in the dashboard of this software called Krowd. So let's go ahead and start creating campaigns. So here we have option called create new campaign. Let's click on it and choose your niche. So let's say you have a niche called meditation and put your keyword over here. Now software will find out what is trending on Pinterest in your niche. So here you can see software searched for some of the important or popular pins on Pinterest that are related to meditation niche. So here you can see this is breathing techniques, 7 common types of meditation and all other stuff. What is the best part of this software is it also shows you statistics. So you can see how many likes this particular pin has got and how many pins, repins this particular post has got. And that is how you know what is trending actually in your niche. So for example, I like this one. So what I will do, the next step is I will shortlist this and add to my inspiration. So I will click here on add to inspiration. You can see pin inspiration added successfully. You can see it over here. We can find out some more pins. Let's add this as well. Let's add this as well. And this as well. Okay, so now we have found 4 different inspirations. Now what we need to do, we will go ahead and create similar images or similar posts in our niche. So let's go ahead and pick up our niche, which is meditation. And now you will find automatically related images here on the left hand side. So if you want to create your own post on Pinterest using any of these images, you can choose the image, or else if you want some more, you can click here and find more inspirations of images. And let's go ahead now and say let's add this one. Okay, so we have selected this image. The second step over here is puts. So if you'll put your niche over here, you will find quotes related to meditation or any niche you pick, and here you have got inspirations that we have shortlisted. So you can pick up quotes from here as well. So for example, if you want to pick this quote, quiet the mind and the soul will speak. Okay, so for example, if you want to shortlist, you can add this quote over here, or else you can search for meditation related quotes over here and use these quotes. So now you can pick up from these quotes, or else you can use this existing quote. So let's go ahead and use this quote over here. I want to add text. So click here to add text, and let's add this code. And from here you can edit it. You can change the font if you want to use this one or this one. We have so many fonts integrated over here, so you can pick the one that you like. Okay, let's select this one. Alright, let's format this. We can change the color from here. You can change the weight. You can make it underline. You can change the font size. Okay, so basically you can edit the code as you want. You can decide the position where you want to put it. You can change the color as I have shown you. Apart from that, we have few other options. You can mask it with the another image, or you can use different filters. So if you want, you can use this filter or sepia, alright, or tint multiply. We have got several filters over here. Alright, so let's go ahead and now save this image. That is step number 2. So now my image is saved. Next step is publish the post. So here I will go and click on publish post. Now it will upload this image first and will keep it ready for the publishing. So here you can see our image is ready, and now we need to upload it. Okay, so let's add the description, and you can put your link where you want to drive the traffic. So here we have put the description, and now let's say if you want to drive traffic to your blog, so let's click here click on post now. Save it over here, and here you can see your post is ready.
Alrighty, thank you guys. So that's the demo. You can kind of, definitely was going to do it, much quicker and better explanation than I certainly would have. So there you have it. Went over the pricing, my bonuses. Find the additional information and bonuses that the vendor is giving, by clicking on these links on my page here, and you'll be taken to your secure checkout. That'll eventually get you to the Warrior Plus page, where you will see access your purchases, and that's where you will get to download Krowd and the vendor bonuses. And for my bonuses, you'll click the blue link here, that says access affiliate bonuses to receive the bonuses that we talked about earlier. All right, folks. Thank you. I hope that wasn't too long for you. To your success, as always, have a great evening.